Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Spotify and going straight to Settings. On mobile, tap Playback. On desktop, open Preferences. Once there, find the Equalizer or Audio Enhancements section and enable the toggle. You do this first because the app won't let you change bands unless the equalizer is active. Make sure your device volume is moderate. Too loud masks small adjustments. If you're on Android versus iOS, placement differs slightly. Follow the on-screen labels and enable the feature now so you can fine-tune next. Once the equalizer is enabled, pick a preset like bass booster or acoustic to get a baseline. Presets teach you how bands affect sound. Then switch to manual and move sliders across the 60Hz to 16kHz range. Low bands affect thump, mids affect vocals, highs add sparkle. Make small adjustments, about 3 to 6 decibels, because big jumps create distortion. Use 1/3 octave increments and listen between changes. Pause tracks that highlight the frequencies you're targeting so you can judge the impact clearly. Finally, save your custom preset and give it a clear name so you can switch quickly for different genres or devices. Make sure to test with several tracks and listen on headphones and speakers. Consistent tweaks ensure a balanced profile. If you hear clipping, reset the equalizer and reduce gain because excessive boosts can overload outputs. And if the equalizer won't apply, make sure Spotify has permission to modify audio, restart the app, and confirm no system-level sound enhancements are conflicting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.